Hello everyone, I have a special video for you today. I am going to show you the hashtag finder tool within the Tailwind scheduler program. I use Tailwind for my Pinterest and Instagram accounts. I have a few already scheduled here. And as you can see, you can upload your pictures directly from your desktop or laptop. You don't have to just do it on the phone to auto-schedule posts for your Instagram account. And the great tool that Tailwind has right here is the hashtag finder tool. It makes it really easy to find the most popular and currently relevant hashtags that are used on Instagram, which is only going to help you get found and get maybe new followers. So I've uploaded this beautiful smoothie bowl right here. I am going to start writing my description, and you'll see that hashtags will change and become suggested according to the text I write. So here I have a smoothie bowl. Let's say amazing breakfast at Lainey and Blue. That's where I bought it. I ordered a blue magic smoothie bowl. Hopefully I'm not doing too many spelling mistakes. So as you can see, it's suggesting smoothie, smoothie love, fit food, yum. I kind of like to write my whole description first, and after that I go pick my hashtags. So, okay, blue magic smoothie bowl, which contains pine, oops, I got a little character there, pine, apples, bananas, kiwi, strawberries, and many more healthy ingredients. All right, so I have my description written. Let's go a little bit lower to check the hashtags. So it's telling us smoothie has a very high popularity. There's 9.6 million posts, so that's a good one to use. I'm just gonna lower this a bit and put them below. It's always better to put your hashtags a bit lower than the rest of your text. And it tells you here it's good to not have more than 30 hashtags. So we're going to go with smoothie for sure. Detox, yeah, sure, why not? Some people like to detox with them. It's nutrition is good. Let's see, smoothie bowl, it's good to do some long tail hashtags as well. And okay, let's say here, gluten-free, well, let's go with banana. That's a popular one too. Always good to put some hashtags that are just food related without being too specific. That gets a lot of attention. I know the kitchen is a really good one as well. So, okay, let's say I have, okay, strawberry, we can add that one. Let's say that you are, you don't like these hashtags anymore and you're looking for something else. Well, you can just see more suggestions and it'll flip through other hashtags. So you can just keep going through that and finding different hashtags that might be interesting. Let's see, we can add healthy living. We could, feed for feed is a very good one. So you can keep going on and on like that and finding really pertinent hashtags. Now, I also have a saved list of food hashtags I like to use often. So I've already saved those ahead. You click this button here. And as you can see, I have one for travel, one for food. I'm going to click my food one. It's added everything automatically. Now you can see here I have a couple of duplicates, like the kitchen. I already had that one. Let's remove it so we don't have it twice. I think we're good for everything else. And of course, I always add CulturEatz to my hashtags. Now I've got my posts all written. I've got all my hashtags. I've got popular ones set up. All I have to do is click Add to Queue, and it is added to be auto-published. As you can see, it will be auto-published at 3 p.m. And that is the Tailwind hashtag finder tool. Super practical. Check down below in the description to find out how to get a free trial on Tailwind and also a bonus for a free month for Pinterest. Thank you very much and see you very soon.